Why is my CPAP mask making noise? Imagine trying to sleep peacefully, but your mask starts making strange sounds. It can be frustrating, but understanding why it happens can help you fix it quickly. One common reason your CPAP mask makes noise is because of air leaks. When the mask doesn't fit tightly against your face, pressurized air escapes. This often causes whistling, hissing, or even a sound like a fart. These leaks usually happen around the nose bridge, sides of the nose, or near the mouth if you use a full face mask. Adjusting the straps so they are snug but not too tight can help seal the mask better and reduce these sounds. Repositioning the mask on your face can also make a difference. Another cause is worn or damaged mask cushions. Over time, cushions can crack, stiffen, or lose their shape. When that happens, they don't seal properly and cause air leaks that make noise. Replacing the cushions every 3 to 6 months, as recommended by the manufacturer, can prevent this issue. The tubing can also be a source of noise. Cracks, holes, kinks, or loose connections in the hose can let air escape and produce whistling sounds. Make sure the tubing is securely attached to both the mask and the machine. If you notice any damage, replacing the tubing is a simple fix that can quiet things down. Clogged vent holes are another common culprit. These tiny holes are designed to let exhaled air escape safely. If they get clogged with body oils, lint, or dust, they can cause a whistling or popping noise. Cleaning these vent holes carefully with a toothpick or small brush can restore proper airflow and silence. Moisture buildup inside the tubing or mask can cause gurgling or popping sounds, often called rainout. Using a heated tubing option or adjusting your humidifier settings can help prevent condensation and keep your sleep quiet. Sometimes the noise comes from the CPAP machine itself. Older models or those with clogged filters can produce more noise. Regularly replacing filters and cleaning the machine can make it run more quietly. Upgrading to a newer, quieter model is also worth considering. Exhalation ports are built into all masks to vent carbon dioxide. When your pressure settings are high, the airflow through these ports can be louder, creating a hissing sound. The design of your mask influences how noticeable this noise is. To reduce noise, regularly inspect and replace mask cushions, tubing, and filters. Make sure your mask fits well by adjusting straps or trying different sizes. Clean vent holes and mask parts often to prevent clogging. Managing your humidifier settings can also cut down on condensation sounds. Using accessories like tubing holders can prevent pulling on the mask during sleep, maintaining a good seal. If noise persists, placing a white noise machine or fan nearby can help mask the sounds. Fixing these issues not only quiets your mask but also helps your therapy stay effective. When your mask fits well and stays quiet, you're more likely to stick with your sleep apnea treatment and wake up feeling better each day.